Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this screencast, I want to take a look at a cool Elementor widget. It's part of the Crocoblock suite, and it's called JetSearch. What it does is it adds a nice Ajax search widget that you can place anywhere that you can put an Elementor widget. Let's take a look. I have here a demo site using Astra Pro. I've created this page using Elementor. So here we have a custom post type called books, and you can see their number of books here. The default WordPress search is a little anemic, something that could probably use some love, but let's see what it looks like. Well, I can see that there's a John Grisham book here, so let's search for Grisham. Then here is what the results page looks like. As you can see, it's nothing exciting, and in this view, a user is going to have to look pretty carefully to see which book is which. Now you can edit this search results page with Elementor Pro. We have another option here, and that's to use the Search Widget. So let's go back to the home page, and let's edit it with Elementor. Okay, so let's add that widget. And you see Ajax Search, that's part of the Crocoblock suite. Let's add that here. Okay, and so we get this search widget. So let's take a look at the options. They have a lot of styling options. You can have an input icon instead of text. You can show the submit button. You can have words, like a word like go or search or something instead of the icon. And you can show a categories list. So let's do that. We have some categories here for books, audiences, and genres. Let's do genres. If that, you can see that it adds the categories if you want to filter your search by a category. So that's kind of cool. You can only pick one category here. I guess if you were going to want to use more than one filter, then you'd use the Crocoblock JetSearch Filters plugin. But this is pretty nice here. I'm going to turn it off for the moment. Option to have it responsive on mobile. We'll come back to that and try that out. And now we can choose what we search in. So we definitely want books. But sometimes there might be a blog post or a page that mentions a book. Number of results displayed on one page. Let's say 10. Number in one search, we'll say 25. Sort by relevance and filter. And then the results area, you can have it be the width of the search form, or you can customize that. Now we have an option to show post thumbnail. Since this is books, that's kind of cool. So showing that would be nice. Let's say medium. We don't have prices or ratings. Okay, this is all nice. We can have some navigation here if we knew there were going to be a lot of results, but we'll skip that. And then this is where you can customize the messages. On the Style tab, there are styling options for normal and focus on the search form. Background color, box shadow, padding, border, input field, styling, submit button. Let's make that match our theme color there. Let's see, results area. Have an option for a little gap. Change the background color of that. Can put some padding around it. Have a border between results. Result items. You can do some coloring for those. Thumbnail width. We'll see if we need that when we do our test. We might have to come back here. A counter and all results button. Navigation arrows if you have that turned on. Style, the notifications, and then the spinner color will make that a theme color as well. All right, let's update that and take a preview look at it. So here's the search box, and let's try Grisham again. Okay, and here are the 3 books that we have on Grisham. Let's look for something that'll give us more results. So this is a post, I think, and then some reviews, another post, page. This is kind of a little unwieldy scrolling down like this. Let's go back. Look, we have this pagination up here, so let's go back and let's change that behavior for the results. Let's say we'll go 5 here, and we'll stick with 25 there. Do an update. Go back and do this now. So here are these, and then we can page through them. So that's pretty nice. I like that. It's a much nicer experience for the user than going to that search results page. It keeps them on your home page. You can see a thumbnail there. You can see the title of the book and page through them. I think that's pretty nice. So this is the JetSearch plugin. That's part of the Crocoblock suite. The Crocoblock suite has a number of plugins for Elementor. Mega Menu, blog, tabs, reviews for WooCommerce, some visual effects, some things for theming, blocks for header and footer, the for dynamic content, the Jet Engine, pop-ups, the Smart Filter, which is pretty nice, gallery for WooCommerce, the JetSearch, which we just looked at, and then compare wish list, which is I think also a WooCommerce widget, or a widget for WooCommerce. You can buy them individually, or you can purchase the whole suite. For one website, or for unlimited websites if you want to do an annual subscription, or you can do a lifetime, and you get the Kava theme. There's some pre-designed content, the plugins in the suite, and then lifetime updates and support, and future plugins as well. So that's been a look at JetSearch, part of the Crocoblock suite. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. There's a text version on my website if you prefer that to the video, or you wanted to go back and look at something. If you have some questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.